Hi my viewers and listeners of Awelewe TV. Welcome to Episode 3 Chapter 2 of our data analysis course using Excel. In this Chapter 2, we'll be discussing the advanced formulas of Excel for data analysis. 1. Index match. This powerful combination is a go-to for complex lookups. Index tells Excel which cell to look at, while match finds the specific row or column within that cell that contains your desired data. It's more versatile than VLOOKUP as it can handle non-contiguous data and look up from right to left. Example: equals index A2 A10 match apple B2 B10 0. This formula would find the value in column A corresponding to apple in column B, even if the data in both columns isn't sorted. 2. If combined with and or. Excel's if function lets you apply conditional logic to your formulas. Combining it with and or allows for complex multi-criteria evaluations. Example: equals if and A2 greater than 5, B2 less than 10, high value, low value. This formula would return high value if the value in A2 is greater than 5 and the value in B2 is less than 10, and low value otherwise. 3. Offset combined with sum or average. Offset allows you to move around your data relative to a specific cell. Combining it with sum or average lets you calculate values based on a dynamic range. Example: equals sum offset A2 0 0 3 2. This formula would sum the values in a 3 by 2 block of cells starting from A2. 4. Choose. Choose lets you select a value from a list based on a given criteria. It's a versatile tool for creating custom logic in your formulas. Example: equals choose A2 excellent, good, average, poor. This formula would return excellent if the value in A2 is the highest, good if it's the second highest, and so on. 5. XNPV and XIRR. These functions are specifically designed for financial analysis. XNPV calculates the net present value of an investment, while XIRR calculates the internal rate of return. Example: equals XNPV 10% A2 A10 B2 B10. This formula would calculate the net present value of a series of cash flows A2 A10 with a discount rate of 10%, taking into account the timing of those cash flows B2 B10. 6. Sum if and count if. These functions let you sum or count values based on specific criteria. They're powerful tools for filtering and analyzing your data. Example: equals sum if A2 A10 greater than 50 B2 B10. This formula would sum the values in B2 B10 corresponding to rows in A2 A10 where the value is greater than 50. 7. PMT and IPMT. These functions are used for loan calculations. PMT calculates the monthly payment for a loan, while IPMT calculates the interest portion of a specific payment. Example equals PMT 10%, 12,360, 100,000. This formula would calculate the monthly payment for a 30-year loan of $100,000 with an annual interest rate of 10%. These are just a few examples of advanced Excel formulas for data analysis. There are many other powerful functions available, and the best ones for you will depend on your specific needs and data. The next chapter of this episode 3 we will go to see the advanced formulas for a specific needs. Don't plan to miss chapter 2 of this episode. My name is Maximilian Crescent Temba. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, click like and share the link. Have a good day.